Hello everyone, this is Shadil Khan and today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is verbs. So before moving on to this session, I would like to suggest you that if you have not watched my previous lectures, so it's better that you watch them because I'm going to use vocabularies and the things what I dictated and what I explained in my previous sessions. So before moving on to verbs, because this is the one of the major part of a language. So first of all, I'm going to cover the two major verbs that is most important in a language. So the first verb is tener and querer. So in this lesson, I will cover tener and querer. So the word tener, that means to have, H-A-V-E, have, and querer means to want, W-A-N-T, want. So now, first of all, I'm going to give you a short introduction on verbs. So in this lesson, I am going to discuss about tener and querer. Before, I would like to tell you that there are two types of verbs, like regular and irregular. And all the verbs what we have in Spanish, that will either end into AR, or the ending will be in ER, or IR. As you can see, the verb tener and querer, that ends in ER. Look at the ending, ER ending. So, but there are also few words, like 15 to 20 words in this language, that is irregular, that don't follow a particular pattern, and the rest of the words, they are regular. So for the irregulars, so tener and querer, that also comes under the category of irregular. So irregular is a bit tough, but if we are once comfortable with the irregular verbs, so the regular, it is going to be easy. And for we have only few irregular verbs, so it's better that we cover irregular verbs first. So moving on to our next slide. So now I'm going to tell you the conjugation of verb tener. So here we have I have. So tener means to have, to have. So now here we are going to deal with the conjugation. So if you have I have, so the translation of I, that is going to be jo, Y-O, Y-O, jo. And for have, we are going to write tener will change into tengo, T-E-N-G-O, tengo. Like you have to remove ER from this, and we have ten, TEN, and then you have to add the ending GO. So that should be compatible with I have, tengo, jo, tengo. And for the word you have, it is going to be tu. For you it will be tu, and for have we are going to write TNS, TIENES. So previously I told you that it's a irregular verb. So TENER, tener, it's a simple word, but its stem is changing. Like E, that becomes IE. So that's why I told you that it's a complicated word. But once you get used to this, so further on in Spanish, it is going to be very easy. So in this lesson, I am going to introduce you only with I have and you have, so that you get more comfortable with this. And in the further lesson, we will move on to with he, she has, and we have. So first we have the verb querer. So the word I want will be quiero, yo, and for want, that is should be quiero, Q-U-I-E-R-O. Actually the ending in O is because of yo, I pronounce. So that is, in Spanish we have the we pronounce the word with the matching endings, like ella, like ending A, una, chica. So we have yo quiero, O. So yo quiero. So that's why it's ending. For you want, it is going to be tu quieres. Q-U, again, E will change into I-E-R-E-S, quieres. And the rest we are going to read in our future class. So here we have two vocab, expensive and cheap. So the word for expensive is carro. You can remember this word with a memory key. So if you want to buy a Ferrari car, so if you want to buy a car, so it is going to be expensive because cars are generally expensive. So from car, carro. And for cheap, it is barato, B-A-R-A-T-O, barato. So So this car is cheap because it is of old model. And if you want to buy a candy bar, so candy bar, so the candy bar, it is going to cost you very less, so it is cheap. So from this you can remember. So I have a dog. So for I have, first we will translate I. For I will write Joe. For have we will conjugate, will match with tener verb with Joe, and the tener will become tengo, yo tengo. For a we will write un. For dog is perro, P-E-R-R-O, perro. For bird we will write pero, P-E-R-O, pero. So I take these two examples at the same time because the word for dog is P-E-R-R-O, perro, and bird is pero, P-E-R-O, pero. I don't have a cat. So for this, for I have, we will write yo tengo. For have we will write tengo and G tengo. And for negation we will write no, as no es. Before the verb we add no, pero no tengo un gato, G-A-T-O, gato. So here we have I have a car but I want a bus. So the word for have is tener, and if you are going to conjugate it with I, so it is, the ending will be o, yo o. So I have will be yo tengo, T-E-N-G-O, tengo un coche, pero I want a bus. I want is yo. The word for want is querer, and from querer the ending it is going to be in o. So and IE will change yo quiero, Q-U-I-E-R-O, quiero un autobús, like autobús. I have something important. So again for I have we will write yo. So for the Spanish speaker, yo is redundant. So let's drop that and directly we are going to write tengo with ending o, tengo. For something we will write algo. Important is importante. What do you have for me? For what we have the word que. For you have we will write que tienes, T-I-E-N-E-S, que tienes. What you have, do we generally add for question mark. So but in Spanish we don't do that. We directly write what you have for me and we put a question mark. So there is no use of do in Spanish. So que tienes, for me, that is the prepositional pronoun, what I taught you in my previous session. So tienes, for is para me is me, para mí, para ti. Do you have something important for him? So here should be single I. Do you have something important for him? So again there is no use of do here because that is for question mark. So you have something important for me. So you have, it is going to be tú tienes. So we are going to leave tú, only we will write tienes. The ending is in s for the second person, S-E-N-E-S, tienes. Tú tienes. For something we will write algo. You have will be this. Tú tienes algo. Important is importante. For him is para él. Para mí, para ti, listen. Para él. I have some money. So for I have again we will write tengo. For some, here we have a new word like algo. Something is algo. So someone will be alguno. Tengo alguno. For money, the word is dinero. D-I-N-E-R-O, dinero. Tengo alguno dinero. I have two sisters but no brother. So I have not taught you till now the numbers. So you just we are just going to write 2 here only for the numbers. So for I have we will write yo tengo tengo, yo tengo. 2, for sisters we will write hermana, and we know that it's a plural, so we are going to write hermanas. Tengo 2 hermanas, 2 hermanas. Pero, for no we will write no, and for brothers will be hermana. Hermano, for brothers will be hermano, and it's a plural, so hermanos. You want a helicopter, but it is very expensive. The word for expensive is caro, like buying a car is expensive, caro. For helicopter, the word is helicóptero. Helicóptero, the spelling is same. So for here we have to write you want. So again, querer, quiero, and the second one, second person, the pronunciation is S. So quieres, tú quieres, tú. If you want, you can write tú, or you can just leave that. Tú quieres, IERES, quieres un helicóptero, but pero it is, that is S from the first class. Very is muy, for expensive it's caro, CARO, caro. What do you want? I want freedom. So again here we have the word for what is que, and I want, that again it is going to match with the word I want, that is quiero. So what do you want? So you want, that is going to be, what do you want? You want will be quieres. Que, for what we will write que, QUE, que. Que es esto, like what is this? In that session I taught you this. What means que? Que, do is redundant here because it's a question. What? Quieres. Ending in A, ending in S, so it's a second form, QUIERES, quieres. I want a freedom, libertad, quiero libertad, TAD, libertad. As you can say that I want to be liberated. From that word you can easily remember freedom means liberated, libertad. What do you want? I want to dance. The word for dance is bailar. It's a verb, BAILAR, bailar. So in my previous session I told you baile, bailarina, then I discussed these two words. So from that, to dance, the verb is bailar. Again it is ending in AR. So what do you want? ¿Qué quieres? ¿Qué you want is tú quieres, or you can just write quieres, QUIERES, quieres. So I want, yo quiero, so you can write yo or not, quiero, QUIERO, quiero bailar. So in the next class we will deal with some of the other words and the sentence with to have and want, and we'll move on to the his or her form and our form. So we'll practice that also. So until then, please like and subscribe my channel and share as much as possible. Thank you everyone.